Daniel Henderson. I'm the VP of Sales for Louisiana LED. We manufacture LED lights. We're based in Louisiana. I want to go over our lithium panels right now. This is our hottest seller at the time. I believe this is the future of lighting. This is the way lighting is moving. First thing we have right here is a 6-inch lithium panel. As you can see, it's a very low profile. It lights up at 120 degrees. It's an even spread. It's more of an illumination type light, so it spreads out through your room much better than traditional can light. This 6-inch can would be equivalent to a Par 30 75 watt light output. It uses 11 watts and it's also dimmable. We also make a 4-inch that uses 5 watts, an 8-inch which uses 15 watts of these round ones. As you can see, there's no trim kit, there's no can, recessed can, any of that you need for this for your home. This has clips, cut a hole kind of like a speaker and a retrofit, pop them in, hooks in place, wire it direct, you're done. This comes in warm white, traditional yellow that you have for incandescent lighting. It can also come in a cool white for more of a commercial setting as well as manufacturing facility. We also make these in panels, anything from a 2x1, a 2x2, and a 2x4. Our 2x1 panel is this guy over here. And as you see, it's a great, for a modern home as well as for offices, commercial spaces. It's an excellent light. It's also low profile. You can go in a drop ceiling. It can come in warm or cool white, or neutral white, which is 4,000 Kelvin, which is more of a pale yellow. It can be dimmable on a 1-to-1 ratio, and it uses 36 watts. This is a lithium panel broken down. The LEDs are in the edge, very similar to most LED TVs you buy on the market. They're edge lit. This is our 2x2 size. They come in 36 watts, which is a 2-sided LED, so it puts out a good bit of brightness. We also have our 2x2 that uses 76 watts, which has 4 sides of LEDs. This can also come in cool white, warm white, or neutral white. That's a power supply. This is what you're going to be installing above your facility. And this is the 2x2 panel. This is our best seller of all the lithium panels we sell. It's very low profile. It fits very easily in a drop ceiling. It also can hang by piano wire from the ceiling of a facility, manufacturing facility. When we built this, we designed this originally for commercial conference rooms, high-end offices, places where aesthetics are at a premium. Now, as a company, we make a 4-foot LED tube that's extremely popular. It goes in, fits in an existing fixture. So what we found is in a lot of facilities, it's just much more cost-effective just to go ahead and place the tubes, leave the fixture. So we looked at this, we came up with a different option to find this, and if you go with a cool white output, 76 watts, this actually can replace a 400 watt metal halide up to 25 feet in height. It has a very good spread, it illuminates very professionally. It's not going to have the intensity of a metal halide. LED just is not really designed that way. But on a foot candle ratio, as you step away from the hot spot, which is the center of where the cone of light hits the ground, it has a more even spread, and it goes a long way. It's a very nice application. I can't say it works in every application to replace a 400 watt metal halide. It bears testing, but in most applications, it's a very suitable source. It can be dimmable on a 1-to-1 ratio. We're also working on a system to dim them all in uniform fashion for basketball courts, gyms, high-end settings like that. That's those panels. It's pretty basic stuff. You just use these instead of your traditional lighting. Retrofit, very easy. New construction, even easier. Just don't even get the cans, don't even get the pieces for your facility. Get these, put them in place, light them up. Much less amperage, much less wattage. On average, it's going to be a 50,000 hour power supply. You may see higher than that. We're very conservative in our ratings, but that means you got a light for 50,000 hours. Another benefit of the panel lights is a traditional metal halide. A 400 watt metal halide runs around 600 degrees. Our panel lights can run around 104 degrees. A traditional can light in your home is going to be around 200 degrees, 250 degrees, depending on the type of light. Ours are going to run again at 104 degrees. So if any of you had those situations, you've been at home, you have your can lights on, and You turn them off because it gets the room hot. You know, this is a great application to be able to utilize your lights more, enjoy your lights more, and go from there. There's a 5-year warranty on these products. It's a 2-year replacement, 3-year repair. You know, we're very easy. We're in Louisiana. If something breaks, send it to us. We send you a replacement first 2 years. After that, send it to us. We repair it, rebuild it, send it back to you. And as I mentioned earlier, 45% of the assembly of all of our lights stays here, which means the majority of our revenue that's used to manufacture lights stays in the United States. You know, we can't say we're a made in the US product at this time. We're working on that. We get the raw materials from Asia, but we do assemble here, and we're on a path to being manufactured here in the US, 100% US product. I appreciate your time, and I'm going to go from there. Thank you.